Get out of my face.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get the out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro.
Don't blow your fist up! Do not blow your fist up! I saw that! Heard that?
On May 3, 2024, officers with the Orlando Police Department responded to a violent disruption aboard a commercial flight. This is the first moment of truth. Officers offer calm conversation, but the subject agitated and loud won't listen.
Is he fighting or no?
No, he tried to fight me when I was trying to.
He's not fighting. Is this him?
That's him. He's been very unruly.
Yes, sir. Can you just step off this? We can talk. Yep. Is that him? Who is it? Come on over here, man.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff in a minute.
I need to get my stuff.
Let's talk about it real quick.
I need to get my stuff.
I get that. Let's talk about it and maybe you can still fly.
Talk about what?
I need to figure out. I just got here.
I already was talking to them.
So let's just talk about it.
They're saying that there's no way. Like, I already told them. I went and...
Okay.
I'm just trying to... And I don't want to wait another 5 hours in there.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, you do. I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
Cool. That's cool.
You're just
so
trying to get me off the plane.
I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane, though.
Arrest me for what?
Trespassing on the plane.
What crime have I committed?
That's it. They don't want you here right now. I just asked you to get off me. We could get that stuff nicely. You're not doing it, so I'm not playing nice anymore. That's all you got to do.
I'm not weird, bro.
That's cool. Right now, they don't want you on the plane. That's it.
He's clenching his fists now. The verbal is turning physical. You can feel it building.
Just the boots?
Yeah, just the boots, I guess.
Look, you guys got weapons, bro. I swear, bro. No, I have my luggage, bro.
Where's your luggage at?
I don't know where.
Did you check it in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be at your destination.
Is it on the plane or did you?
You guys are lucky you guys have weapons, bro.
Walk on up. Hold on.
Then the line is crossed. Vulgar threats, racial slurs. The officers hold their ground.
But without that weapon and badges, bro, that's isolating. You guys get beat the up, bro, guaranteed. Pussy ass police. You guys ain't shit, bro. You guys are pussies, bro. You guys need weapons, bro. What?
I said keep walking.
What are you gonna do? You're lucky you need weapons and a bunch of people.
Just walk towards the gate.
Nah, shut the up, bro. You guys are,
All right, sir. The children.
It's a freedom. I can say whatever I want. I ain't saying no.
He's given one last chance to exit quietly, but he doubles down.
Right here, dog.
Where's my fucking flight?
Let him sit. You want to sit here? No
What?
problem.
Where's my flight?
Give him a route out.
That's the way out right there, the train, right?
For where?
Exit to get out of the airport right now.
Right there.
You're not going to the flight right now. You understand that, right?
I'm not going to
That way is your way out.
Where's
You're out.
That way on the
Where's my
tram.
new flight? They said they
Your
would give me a
flight's
new
not
flight.
coming, sir. You've been denied boarding. Okay?
So you have to find a new carrier, right?
So your flight is on the way out, and you have the.
Are you pushing me? Leave your hands off of me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking.
Is your body cam on?
Absolutely.
You're touching me.
It's okay.
No, you can't.
Keep walking,
You
sir.
can't touch me. You
Please
don't have
keep
a right to touch me.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again, exactly, because
Keep
you know you
walking,
can't touch me.
Keep walking, sir.
You get the out of my face and
Keep
I
walking,
will.
sir. You're
Back
right
Get
there.
away from me. Get away
Put
from
your
me.
hands down.
Get the away from me.
Exit. He needs an exit.
I will. That's it, bro.
Walk.
Nah. Don't yell in my face.
All you gotta do is walk.
You're gonna hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Exactly.
Walk that way.
I will when you back up.
I don't need to
Get
back
out
up.
of my
My
face.
job.
Then I don't need to walk.
Please leave. Please leave. Your exit's right there.
Right? You're not hard, bro. I'm not hard. Get the out of my face.
It's my airport, bro.
Get the out of my face.
Please keep
Want to
walking.
book a flight, you go that way.
This is the moment it breaks. No more talking. Officers move in with precision and restraint.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get the out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro.
We're between trams.
Don't blow your fist up! Do not blow your fist up! I saw that! Heard that? Now pull your fist up.
Andy, where are you guys at?
Hold. Which way you going? Which way you want to go? Get this arm over here. Get your hand down.
I got cuffs.
Hands behind your back.
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now.
Give us your hands.
Yes, sir.
I got one.
Yes, sir.
All right, ready for got a sneaky?
Even in cuffs, he's combative, but the tension breaks, the danger is over.
That's me. Bring him down. Bring him down.
I believe you said he's at the tram now.
Go ahead and pull back, Andy. Go ahead and pull your arm out. Okay.
192 from Bodycam. Can you confirm your location?
Good. Sit up.
On the air side.
I told you not to ball your fist up.
Anything in socks?
No.
Anything in socks?
No.
You sure? Let me see.
They're on the waist.
Anything in this sock here? No. Are you sure, sir? Yes, sir. Let me double check. That's nothing in your
They're on
shoes.
the waist.
When this officer was talking to you, you had your right hip fist balled up. That's what you're going to jail for. Finally gets off. He's talking shit all the way back to here. And then we're like, hey, keep moving. I was like, hey, keep moving. And guy didn't touch, hey, keep going. Once he comes down here, he's like, get off my nuts and I'll move. I was like, get moving. He goes, don't yell at me. Okay, and Pete Lemminkamp comes over and starts talking to him. I see his hand come up like this. I'm like, oh.
I'll kick your ass.
That train will be on this side. That's the very end.
So are there charges like back at the gate, or?
I didn't even get to that.
Okay.
Are you guys good with me if I go check on that?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go find a spot for Sergeant Jewel to get in.
Did anything happen on the flight with that gentleman?
No, negative. Apparently, as the flight attendants called me down, because I'm the station supervisor,
Right.
I went to see what he was doing. So apparently, inside the aircraft, he was, I guess somebody sitting next to him or something, and he didn't want it, him that close. So he started going like he was doing when you guys got here. So then
He's hitting his fist into his open palm like this? Okay.
threatening, very threatful. And then he said, I got to go to the bathroom. And he came from his seat all the way to the first class bathroom, went in there, and that's when I arrived.
Crew members later confirm what police suspected: threatening gestures, refusal to comply, and attempts to re-enter the plane.
Jose, I'll call you back. I'm in an issue. I got to call you back.
Okay, yeah, I copy. I'm going to be down at the gates. Give me a second, Sarge.
So when I went over there, the flight attendant said that she was being nasty to them, cursing at them.
AC, can you get her in?
He was cursing at the passengers as he was walking by and disrespecting the flight attendants.
Right.
So then he went into the bathroom. When he came back, I arrived at the scene.
Right.
She was telling me what was going on, and I said, well, if it's that issue, because we have to decline it. We want him out of the aircraft.
Right.
So when he stepped out of the bathroom, I approached him right there, and I said, can I see your boarding pass? And then he's like, what you want my boarding pass for, bro? I get out of my
161-882. 182, you're ready for the 29 p.m.
stood there, I said, I just need your boarding pass. Then he handed over to me. When I'm going to look at his name and everything, he snatched it from my hand, and he said, you need to move the
Right.
I need to go back to my seat. I said, sir, do you have any carry-on luggage with you? I need you to talk to the side of the aircraft. You know,
181 from Bodycam.
Okay.
yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. You good, Mom?
I don't know where that's coming from.
Yeah, it's okay. Anything. Yep.
Yep.
Someone's got something.
Somebody grab a shoe.
So number is going to be 161882. That's 161882.
We just gotta go down the elevator here around the corner. Yeah.
Christian Alley.
Excuse me, you guys have my phone?
The what?
You guys have my phone?
I don't know, but we'll check. I'm sure we have everything.
Sorry about that, sir. Honestly. I don't know what to think about it.
Yeah, we don't even know.
How is this?
73 military 556 with Colin at the information desk on level 6. The reference is white. She's an 83-year-old Asian female in a denim jacket, black jeans, carrying a black purse and brown.
Take a seat.
Was charged with resisting arrest, assault on an officer, and disorderly conduct. From refusal to restraint, all in 12 minutes.